MeghalayaPost.news.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kajalan baru berdiri National Vice President ke NPP ubah Sngew Dhar mentah ke Sngew Skhem ya ke Sngew Skhem banjob hak MP election sitang samoi na ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency bau Dr. Dhar nonglan udai kum kertong ke parti ban airang hak ne election MP sitang samoi ha bakran skilat patai kubur ubah Sngew Dhar ulapan payo ke Sngew Skhem banjob ke NPP ka badai lingba ke jingwan kersan kipai ba baru ba ke parti kalapan klan menteri sitom na ke bentaban penjob yo kertong ke NPP hak ne election MP sitang samoi ulong ru nagaliang ka parti ru kalatrish tom bat wai ru ke jingkublai yak unit rekam baper ka parti NPP haki constituency baper bat menta ka kenti kidon kidak kishin ba ka parti NPP kan job hakane ke MP election siteng samoy haba jawab halor ke jingbom don ki kertong kanthai hakane ke MP election siteng samoy uba Dhar ulaong ba ka parti NPP gade ka parti ka besimlang ya ka surjong baro kino yalam bat kinong kershan na kilai penri peligi constituency badai ka surjong baro ki belarai ban penskam yu Dr. Dhar nonglan kum kertong ke NPP bane kun hakane ke MP election sitang samoi na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Susu ulaban rapru da kabaong halor ki jingyo lum jingtem na kinong kersan ke VPP menta kilapai kemat sya ke NPP kamtam hakasi jantia berkumbalong menta manla kasi ke VPP keladang Hiar hakasi jantia baki patba kilapai kemat sya ke NPP.
MP by-election. We are very confident of winning this time with the support of our people. So what to do from the party, we have to work hard. So now I'm very thankful to all the units at different levels in all different constituencies. The NPP unit worked very hard. So it is a very, very positive sign for this coming by-election. Why you ask me is up to them.
Even NPP?
No, and you see, for NPP, we never decide from the top. We always listen the view and suggestion from all units, from all the 36 constituencies. So they recommend Dr. Dhar, we have to accept that. Simple as that.
So today in Mountain, some VPP and Khasi.
Yeah, I have seen that, especially even in Jaintia, they are down very much. Even in Khasi, so it's every day is decreasing down from across the Khasi and Jaintia regions. People start realizing this.
MeghalayaPost.news.